Hello friends, welcome to the day 2 of my LeetCode problem solving journey. So in a day we will be solving 2 to 3 problems. It will depend on the time that I will have. So now let us proceed to the problem 2413, that is smallest even multiple. So this is the easiest problem. First of all, let us understand the problem statement. So here the problem statement is that given a positive integer n, means we have been provided a positive integer n, and we have to return the smallest integer that is multiple of both 2 and also n. So let us understand it properly with the example. Let we have been provided an input equals n equals to 5 and output 10, and according to explanation we are getting the 10 as the smallest multiple of both 5 and 2. Means it's very simple that we have been provided a integer n and we have to just return the smallest multiple of the integer n. Okay, so let us first of all discuss the approach. So now we know that if n is even, then the smallest multiple, then the smallest positive integer that is multiple of both 2 and n will be the n itself, if n is even. If n is odd, then it is true that the smallest positive integer that is multiple of both 2 and n will be 2 into n. Let me explain this properly. That let us take n equals to let us take 3. Okay, now we have to find the smallest positive integer that is multiple of both 2 and n. Since n equals to 3, so the smallest possible will be 2 into 3, that is 6. Obviously that's other smallest integer cannot be possible. It will be always the multiple of 2 and the odd number. If the n is even, means if the integer is even, then the smallest positive integer that is multiple of both 2 and n will be n itself. Means let us take n equals to 4. So the smallest positive integer that is multiple of both 2 and 4 will be obviously 4 only. Okay, so for this let us code. So let us first take a if condition directly. If n %2, means we are finding the divide, we are checking that whether the number is odd or even. Means here we are checking if the number is even, means if n%2 equals to 0, then don't do anything, just simply return n itself. Else if n is not even, then don't do anything, just return n into 2. That's simple. This is the very simple question. Let us run and check. Okay, this is working perfectly for the 2 cases that are already been provided. Let us check and submit. Let us submit and check it whether the other test cases are also getting passed or not. That's perfect. Our solution is working properly. So let us also discuss the time and space complexity for this solution. Since we are saying that no loop is getting involved, no iterating is done, so the time complexity for this solution will always be order of 1. And since we haven't created any variable that is getting changed or getting updated, so the space complexity will also be same as the time complexity, that is order of 1. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe the video. And if you have any kind of doubt in this solution, then please comment. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. Thank you.